April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Hello everybody, this is Venny Fox here, and we're going to be playing some Texas Chainsaw Massacre with my friend Slayer.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm in. Wait, can I? Ha! Yes, I got Leatherface, let's go! We're gonna start with Leatherface, y'all!
Was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth the leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding the disappearance.
Oh, here we go. Oh, they're the killers. So that means that the survivors would gotta collect something for Grandpa, obviously. I still need his daily feeding.
Okay, I thought I was going to say, you won't be able to hear my background noise of my music playing for my stream. I don't get the music very quiet. Oh, you're playing as
Oh, you ain't gone deaf. No, because I just spotted a survivor.
Stop 4 viewers already? Goddamn, it's on you beating me in viewers right now.
Are they really gonna do this to me?
Keep away from us!
Actually, I want to finish that game. I'll
Yeah.
take my stream off.
Dude just stabbed me. Dude stabbed me.
It's okay, the recording part of this won't see of this starting soon shit. Basically, my plan is
now I'm
I'll
gonna get out
stop
of here.
including my audio on your stream when I did the intro for my video of other games. Speaking of that, you need to do an intro. You need to figure out how to do one. What intro you want to use.
Come on!
Because you've started this entire video without saying an intro yet.
Yeah, it's a force of habit.
Yeah, I understand.
Got ya! That's one.
Echo. That laugh just sounds fucking absolutely psychotic.
Family!
Oh, for fuck's sake. That's why I have to edit in Vin Diesel.
Oh my god,
But-
what has happened to a body? Oh my God. That ain't normal.
That's going in.
And his name is John C.
Okay. Yeah, you'll see.
Put on studio mode. Just about to mess around with something and I forgot.
Oh,
I
they
had
disconnected.
the studio.
Oh, Grandpa's power's increased.
I'm gonna have to resort that out. Lovely. Now let's get this at least the game on the screen
Yeah.
before I fucking live stream. Yeah, I do all the fucking other stuff. I've got Goku in Ultra Ink Stick for
Well, two
blocking
people
the
now
code.
disappeared.
The only issue is your stream. You won't be able to block the code, so you still can get random people joining. Okay.
Well, what do you want me to do about it?
I'm doing the Among Us way. Just get a random picture and slam it where the code is. There's nothing much you can do about it. So obviously till you get that capture card and then we will sort that fucking shit out.
Yeah. Well,
There
not
isn't much you can do about it.
No.
But yeah,
Well,
people
I
that
killed
come
one
on this,
people.
stream,
One person.
I'm helping them get a better setup for you guys. So be happy.
I killed one person, and then I got stabbed, but then another person disconnected. And I'm back next to the basement again. I will conquer this.
And also, when I start talking to people in my stream, I'm gonna go to the site. You're gonna have to put up with me showing off the extra part version because basically, do you want to know what I had to do to get your audio in my stream? I've had to do it where it goes through headset and TV. That's why that TV is always muted, just in case I have to have sound completely through it. Which is fine because I'm wearing headphones anyway. It's not like I need the sound from the TV.
If I were you, I'd go and check out
Not gonna lie, playing with Clever Fist is fun. Not gonna lie, I think my live stream frame rate always gonna do what it normally does and be a bit buggy, but that's because I'm McDonald's Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn off studio mode because How long is that game gonna be? Unless you... Is it just continue... Is it like Dead by Daylight where you continue till they escape or you kill them?
Until I think we kill them.
I don't know, I haven't played this. To me, it's just like another Friday the 13th game. I enjoyed Friday the 13th because it was basically you had to do the stuff to, you had to either repair a car and all that just to escape.
I haven't played the survivors, I'm basically just playing as the family, so... Oh, this guy's like actually doing really well against me. He probably played it a lot more than me.
I'm still trying to see if I can sort out my boss plate issue.
Oh, the game's definitely not. Consoles.
Yeah, I mean, it might not be for PC. Let's look it up while I'm still starting soon screen.
Yeah. Where's this one guy? He's duped me so many times. Wait, what's this? Turn on. No, he wouldn't be mad. So dark in this place. I can't see where I'm going.
Yeah, it says it here that it's blocked by all devices, PC, PlayStation 5, Series X and S. So yeah, don't know why it wasn't working.
I don't know. It just said unable to join unless there's a button I'm not seeing. Wait. Oh, that doesn't do anything. I thought it was like a button for the door.
I should automatically be enabled.
Oh, they're on the high ground now, and I'm still here, so I don't think they're worried about me at all. I'm still stuck in the basement.
Apparently it's supposed to be automatically already in the game, and you can't change it. So it should already, basically said it automatically to crossfire, and you can't change settings. Anyway, I could be wrong. Anyone in Rennie stream probably know what I'm on about. Let me know. I'll play my stream, but right now, I might
One more.
take on him. 1, 2, kill down, I'll start my stream. So I'm going to take my audio out, so I'm going to do my intro.
Where are you?
2 separate mics for my stream. What am I on? So once you get it, I'll move myself with this headset. And, of course, yeah.
They're gonna turn the car engine on. It's taking the same
Stop
time.
doing adverts on my stream. Stop self-promoting on my stream, Disney Plus.
Wait, what? You see Disney Plus?
This is Disney Plus advert. This is why I'm planning to buy premium. How much is it?
I have no idea.
£10.99 for 3 months. Monthly subscription. You can't do a year or that is too. Basically £10 for 3 months. So actually £10.99. So for 3 months. Why?
Oh my god, where the hell am I going?
I could technically turn it into a student account and do a month, £5.99 to £6 a month. Nah, because I don't need uni advice. So, yeah, but I pay £11 a month. Oh, 11 pounds.
Don't know where Grandpa is. I haven't even fed him any blood yet.
Let's go now, boy. Grandpa ain't gonna be too pleased if you...
Yeah, grandma. Grandpa. I'm going. Wait, is this basically like a chocolate kind of thing? They have to blend in with people that walk. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't get games. I'll find out when we play it. But I don't get games. I don't understand games.
Family!
Like this is gonna be our first. Well, I think your first.
At least I got a kill.
And my first time playing.
At least I got a kill.
Please stop saying family, because I don't want to have to spam putting Vin Diesel in your video. People get hold of that, get bored of that real quick. Me when I'm dancing. Woo! That's what Leatherface doing that is what I look like when I dance.
Right, I'll go back to the main menu and I'll create a party.
Okay, I'm very good at being quick.
You're sure you'll be
I'm
the
part
cook?
of the...
Yeah.
I'm
So,
gonna fuck up
Sissy,
my
Leatherface, and we've got the cook. So, we'll start off in the house. Leatherface will be in the basement.
Outside Bryan, where they caught the man in the act of subduing 36-year-old
I'm gonna stab you.
The man, whose name is being withheld, claims
Oh, so I have to feed.
Yeah, to level him up.
and that he had no
So we have to find like
connection to the
buckets of
murder
blood
that
and then
took
return to
place.
Grandpa and feed him.
No.
So... Oh god.
Ring, 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 ring. As you can tell, guys, this is not... Okay.
Let's have some
That's me.
fun!
I look like a fucking weirdo.
You come to me, the song I sing for all to see.
Can you not run?
The past is gone.
I just
My character's
walk.
singing.
I'm just...
I know. Inside the cell, nowhere to go.
Hi, Grandpa. How you doing? What happened to when you what is leveling up Grandpa for? Oh, I got a bit of lag.
Alright,
Done.
that's on. I literally
Hello,
lost
yeah.
all, and the character I'm playing as is just...
They're gonna love this.
Ah, at least I
Yeah,
can go
I'm
through the small
definitely
gaps.
lagging. Why am I not surprised I'm lagging? My Wi-Fi's been a bitch.
If
It's
you will ever
always, when I
face...
live stream, it's always, I get lag. It's legit lag, or I'm collecting blood.
Oh yeah, I see that.
And
And this is...
this way so I don't activate that.
Do you know where Grandpa
Sound.
is? Because I actually do need to feed him.
Yes, it's legit outside in the shed. No, nums.
When you see the children exit,
I was singing and you interrupted
soon
me.
you will be dead.
Oh, I can feed him more.
Yeah, I love how Sissy
That's
says...
not singing. Grandpa.
No, my character does. Sissy does. She just basically
I don't know what moves.
insanely sings.
Oh, I have like a move where I can
That's me.
listen and hear it.
Yeah. Oh, Leatherface got a kill. So glad we're on his side. Where's Grampy? Is he in here? I think he was in the shed, didn't you?
That's the church.
Where's Grandpa?
Yeah, he's in one of the sheds.
Where the
I can't go
mountains reach like fingers
Hi.
to the sky. Never
Can we not go around? No, we're gonna have to annoy.
Love
Oh, blood!
never dies.
I might have to go round through the sound thing. How do you do that? How do you get through?
Because I'm skinny enough, bruh. That's a skill issue, my
Fuck
guy.
it, I don't care what he says, I'm going through the sound shit.
Where? I'll try to find Grandfather.
Oh, for fuck's sake, you're blind, aren't you?
Yes. That's why I wear
Did
glasses.
you in that shed over there?
I went. Ah! I went past that shed.
Did you in there, you fucking
Oh, shut up. I'm not wearing. This shed here.
Oh, I am feeding him right now.
Oh, I see him. It's
I'm
num
gonna
num din
listen to
din times
shit.
Grandpa.
Oh, that's good, ain't it? There, it's all right, Grandpa.
Num nums Grandpa.
That's not one of us unless it's fucking Leatherface in that building.
I saw Leatherface approach, but I. Oh, what's this? Ooh, poison.
This door's open.
They can try and escape our house, but Grandpa don't
Oh,
want
have
you
we
to
even
leave.
killed one yet?
Leatherface did. We haven't yet. Remember, they start off where he does, so he gets the advantage to kill.
How are you running? This one! I found out one! Get him!
There's a killer! No, that's not a killer. Get him! What are you running for? Grandpa don't want you to leave.
Oh, yeah.
Grandpa wants you to
I
stay.
just want to give you something to shove up your fucking ass.
Dang it!
See what you made me go and do?
Ah! Get him, cook. Hang on, Grandpa. We're just entertaining the guests. Come here. I just
Why
want to
am
say
I having
hi.
a tantrum? Characters.
No, open the door.
Tantrum.
There they are.
Ah,
Come here,
fuck,
I just
found out
want to
that
say hi. We could be best friends, I promise. I'll be good. I'm a good friend. Now, don't be shy.
I guess I can't save you after all.
Lord have mercy on your soul, you poor child.
Shut you up, bitch!
I'm not psychotic.
Grandpa's gonna be so proud that we got something for dinner tonight.
Shut up with that accent. Stop it.
That was some fun, y'all. Trying to be in character.
How do I get out of here without?
I don't know.
Making noise.
You run like you just shut your pants.
I need to get to Kingdom.
No offense,
Fuck
the
it.
way you
I'm
run,
joining
is, the way you ran, it
He
looks
does
like
look
you...
like he shits himself.
No wonder why I can get. Oh, no wonder why you stink. Get away from me. Shut yourself,
I'm
dirty
away.
bastard. Oh, stay away. You smell.
I'm going to land there.
Hold on. I hear Leatherface. What are you doing? Ooh, what's
Make it
this?
harder for them.
Collect powder. Powder.
Right, it's this way. Yeah, so now I have to go all the way around.
Oh, I can. Okay, so if I collect powder, I can use this poison thing on survivors. Wait, the chickens. Who made? You feeling Grandpa?
That Leatherface make that noise, or was that Grandpa?
If you hear the groaning sound, that's Grandpa. In a minute, Grandpa! Oh, hang on. I see someone.
That was me. We all know about the one that the Grandpa. That was me.
Nah, Leatherface is open to them.
There's a person to me.
Leatherface has got a person as well. Get him, guys!
Oh, fuck, he's knocked me on the ground.
Get
I
him!
have a person legit near me. I need assistance.
I'm running, dang it! Give me a
Got into the
minute!
building that we were in last time.
Sneaky bugger!
Got it, jukes me. He closed the door of me. I couldn't see shit.
Where is he?
I don't fucking know.
I'm gonna go out the
Makes
front.
any noise. It's gotta
Out
be
the way!
somewhere. You.
You got my way!
He hasn't made any noise. It's gotta be somewhere around here. Oh, I didn't know there was a downstairs.
That electric's still on.
That's how he would have got round me. He
Yeah.
went downstairs.
The survivor's
Ooh,
gonna have
and
to
he's got out the back.
deactivate.
He's got out the back.
He's at the back. Check if there's any exits at the back, if you can get them or something. I'm at the. This is the front, isn't it?
Well, Frontman. He was here, I swear. Unless you fucking opened that door.
Yeah, I opened the door. Sorry.
I'm having that asthma attack, don't mind me.
Yeah, so that was me.
I'm having an asthma attack. Oh, I think someone's got him.
Leatherface.
Yeah, because I just heard screaming.
Yeah, Leather's over there. Ah! I fell.
I'm having another asthma attack.
I see them.
Tim.
I see him.
He's coming in, he's coming in, he's coming in. He's outside.
But we'll be on the run.
Yeah, character, talk. I want you to give away where I am.
Where are they?
Yeah, Leatherface is on the guy that I was going for.
Where's Leatherface? I see him. I don't think I got an execution yet. That's a chicken. Oh god, I can know what's going on.
Yeah, that's closing on their little cubby hole they can hide in.
Alright!
We'll get this sorted out, Grandpa. Don't you worry.
Go see what Leatherface is. I'm gonna give Grandpa his
I know where he
nom-noms.
is. I went past him.
Oh, Grandpa, I'm sorry I left you all those years.
There you go, have some yum-yums down ya.
He's sitting there, I'm gonna try the corner.
Look how happy he sounds!
I see you.
Grandpa's happy. Oh, I see what you guys are.
Okay, he's going that way, so if he comes through here, I'll he won't know. Don't be against it, or you won't go through. What, he was there?
You sure?
Found him! He's on me!
I wonder what it's like for him to be the only survivor. Oh, he's inside.
Yeah, he's fine. Yeah. Ah, shit! I didn't get him! My stamina fucking went.
I haven't caught him yet.
He's on me!
Well, where are you?
He's now dead! Because I closed the little cubby hole, so
I didn't catch the line! Woo!
Because I closed that cubby hole, because I've noticed that he closed it.
Let's go!
There we go!
Happy dance.
Easy when I'm close. That is loud.
Oh god. Let's go! Woo!
Great success or level 3. I leveled up a lot.
Level 4. Next match?
Well, yeah.
Might as well keep it going. Let's go! In my chat said it's like a spin-off kind of thing to Friday the 13th. If you think about it, it actually is.
It is.
But this time you got two
Have
added
I got a
killers.
When
thought you
you're
had it then.
here.
At least your character doesn't. Oh,
Just a
wait.
touch, and
I don't want to unlock doors, that's the thing.
Damn,
Looks
chicken!
like a juggernaut machine. I'm out of the fun.
Ha! Right, I'm gonna start the car engine up.
Oh
So
yeah. I don't think I want to go there. That's electrified.
yeah, I'm about
fuck
to
it, I'm gonna have
electrify
to
the other
unlock the
gate
door.
as well.
Yeah. So you electrified the gate. No wonder I can't get fucking in.
No,
You
not
locked-
that one,
basically,
but
I'm
where
having
I
to
am.
unlock it.
I have to electrify the one I'm at.
Can I lock doors again? Oh, I can.
Yeah.
Good.
Well, it's our house.
I'm locking the front door again then. Oh, don't be an asshole. Just keep locking doors. When I say I can lock them, on the other side, I
Right.
can lock them. I'm an ass.
Ooh!
Didn't mean to swing.
I got yum yums for game.
Fuck off, chicken.
All we know, that chicken could be insulting us in chicken language.
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
What happens if I turn off this generator?
I love how it's nighttime. I can't see a dang thing. Oh, I can. I'll close that. No, it's closing on me. If you hear any rattles in the house, that's me.
Always, forever,
I'll find Granddad.
Where is he? Oh, I see him.
I found Grandpa.
I see him. I had to use the listen thing.
I hate these chickens.
Chicken say
They're
us.
very-
Push! But where are you, Grandpa?
I'm feeding him now. It's out. It's legit out the back of the house. And it's just two houses.
Well, good thing I could
don't know
slide through
that.
stuff. Oh, there he is.
Oh, Grandpa, I'm sorry I left you all those years.
There you go, Grandpa. Have some yum yum.
Yeah, you pick the what? You pick the one character I love to use, basically. Because I like the characters that I can run. Oh, hello.
Come on now.
Keep on them.
She went. I can't get down.
Oh, she went down there.
Yeah. She
Damn.
jumped down. Hey, she came back. Yeah, she came back.
I guess I can't save you after all.
I can't run. I can't run. I'm here, but I can't run. It's not allowing me
This
to
will
run.
help them see more clearly.
Yeah. Come back round, going back round, going back round. Look there, there.
Where you going?
I can't get to you, and for some reason I can't run either. Run button not working all of a sudden.
Hi. What are we doing?
I can't run! Why can't I run?
Oh, you
Don't do it.
poor little
Come on.
Gotcha, bitch.
Stubby.
There's another one around here now.
Nighty night, girly.
Die.
Sleep tight.
This could have been so
There's
much
another
easier
one.
for you, sunshine.
I ain't gonna hold that
Aw.
gate, because
They literally cornered themselves in a bad place to do that.
there was another one, but
Leatherface is still on the ground. I don't know where you've gone.
yeah, so did I. I just went underground because I saw one.
Go after them then. I need to get blood for Grandpa. I don't think I have any.
Oh, sneaky. Clever.
Oh no, I'm
That's
good. I've got blood for him.
ain't it? There, it's all right, Grandpa.
Just gotta go around, so I'm gonna go around.
Yeah, he's leveled up now. Oh, I see someone.
Yeah, I see someone too.
I don't know I'm gonna get to him in time.
I can't get up there.
Yeah, I see someone.
I scared the living shit out of them, boy. One of them are running up. Because I can't do anything.
Where you going?
Oh, it's Buffy. Very shit with this bad.
Oh, he went down the well. There's someone down there. Someone took down the well. He's injured because I managed to slice him. Me and Leatherface didn't get to him in time. But he's hurt. Dang!
He's hurt.
He's hurt.
Yeah, he's on me. He landed where I am.
Yeah, I see you. I'm gonna go fit Grandpapa.
Swing character!
Swing, bada bada bada, swing!
My character wasn't swinging.
Hey, Grandpa. I got some yum
Are you
yums.
okay, Grandpa? Here. Drink
Oh,
this.
my leg's fucking me over.
Good, Grandpa.
There we go, got him.
You got him?
Yeah.
He dead?
He's
He
dead.
dead? Oh, hell yeah. 2 left.
I can get. I'm gonna go up to Grandpa.
Yeah, I just fed him.
Feed him.
I think he's feeding one more time and he should level up.
Well, I'm on my way then.
Oh, hi! Thanks, Grandpa!
Yeah, I like doing badly.
Yeah,
on the
I see
Xbox, don't
someone.
Nom noms. There we go, he's
Got him.
leveled up again.
I hit them. Is that you?
On down, he's in the underground.
Yeah, but we're up
In the
here.
underground. I'm gonna regret coming down here.
Ah, Grandpa's hungry again. Alright, Grandpa. Here you go, silly. Have some yum-yums.
I love you, Grandpa.
Wouldn't go that far.
Of course they use that. To move the door.
I need my ability to.
She's coming upstairs to where Grandpa is. She's coming upstairs to where Grandpa is.
You stay away from Grandpa!
No, I've got her! You
got
can
her?
hit them while they're on the ladder. You can get them while they're on the ladder, so I've got...
Woo! Now the hunt begins. It's hunting time, family.
She would have came out of where I just came out if I didn't get her.
Oh, look how happy he is. He loves his yum-yums. Don't you, Grandpa? Yes.
Meow meow. Here we go, we're gonna get scurrying.
There they are!
Where? I didn't see them.
Far distance.
Where y'all run off to?
They can't escape because that gate's active. Go round.
I am. I can't go fully round though, because they have a barrier thing.
I got him! I got him!
Get the fuck out of here, bitch!
They're in the bushes. Got him. Still playing peekaboo. I was just swinging my knife and then there they were. I was like swinging my knife and they just...
Fine,
they
I'm
got
sick of it on this day. It's very fucking easy.
We're just a good team. I think that's why he's Spain. We actually did really well.